SF-422 Image Collision Avoidance System, System Components, Anti-Collision Host, 7-inch display, audible and visual alarm, BSD pedestrian cameras, DMS cameras, GPS antennae. The above tools need to be prepared before installation. It can ensure safe and smooth installation. Note: host installation. Use an electric drill to tighten the screws. Installation location: under the seat, on the thick pillar, above or below the overhead guard. Pedestrian camera installation. Use an electric drill to fix the camera base and the top frame with screws. After the base is fixed, use screws to connect the camera to the base. Take out the other two screws, align them with the holes, and tighten the screws to fix them. Display installation. The display installation location is selected according to the location and height of the host. The location needs to be convenient for the driver to observe and not block the line of sight. DMS camera installation. Before installation, make sure the camera base fits snugly against the column and that the camera can move left and right. The driver camera should be at a 45-degree angle, facing the driver's position. The safe position is on the left and right columns of the forklift. Installation of audible and visual alarm. The warning light is installed above the roof guard and fixed with screws. Seat belt installation. Use a wrench to remove the original seat belt buckle. Take out the seat belt sensor and find the interface to connect. Align the screws with the holes and tighten with a wrench. Installation completed. Throttle controller installation optional. First, find the original car's electronic throttle and unplug it. Use the Weitronic Security Electronic Throttle Controller to connect to the corresponding plugs at both ends. Then find the extension cord plug to connect. Installation completed. Guide to powering the host. Use an electric drill to remove the screws one by one. First, find the ACC line and cut it. After cutting it, connect the relay and the host positive line together. After connecting them together, connect the positive side to the line near the lock. Connect the other end to the cut ACC line and use tape to wrap the other end to fix it. Powering the host is completed. Reverse line wiring guide. Use an electric drill to loosen the reverse light screw. Open and find the reverse light wire. Take out the host's reverse detection wire. Use tape to connect and fix. Use an electric drill to tighten the screws and fix it. Mobile app debugging. Download the mobile app Weitronic Security Assistant. Turn on the mobile Wi-Fi. Search for the Wi-Fi with the name. Prefix SF-422 plus the last 4 digits of the corresponding device number. Enter the software homepage. Click Settings. About this device. Status information. Change app language. 3-level alarm area adjustment. Click on camera channel BSD1 BSD4. Pull down or slide up to adjust the area collision avoidance distance. Green prompt area, yellow warning area, red braking area. Click Save after adjustment is completed. BSD1 BSD4 all need to be adjusted. Note: when debugging the camera area, the black line must be pulled to the bottom. Prompt that the upload is successful and the setting is completed. Note: when reaching the warning area distance, the speed limit is prompted and the warning light flashes plus voice prompts after the speed limit. When reaching the braking area distance, the vehicle will be controlled after the speed limit in the braking area. Driver face information input. Click the permission button below. Click the plus below to add and send face information. Select the prepared photo in the album, headshot or half-length photo. Click Selected to confirm. Enter personnel information, driver name, permission level, mobile, phone number. Click Save and Send after filling in. Note 1. The face function must be turned on when adding personnel information. 2. After the upload is successful, the device needs to be restarted to complete the setting. Peripheral parameter configuration. 1. Wheel diameter setting. Click the System Configuration button. Fill in according to the actual wheel diameter. Choose the volume according to the actual situation. Debug command. Enter PDMODE 1 for 2 front and 2 rear. Enter PDate 2 for front, back, left, and right. Note, if not set, the default is front, back, left, and right. Save and send after setting. 2. Function selection. Click the function selection button. You can set seat belt monitoring, seat belt control, switch, throttle control, reverse model, selection, seat detection, and other functions. Note: Point 1. Face function switch control, face recognition. 2. Seat belt control switch and detection switch. Detect whether the seat belt is fastened, and the warning light for not fastening the seat belt prompts please fasten the seat belt. 3. Reverse inline mode distinguishes front and rear detection. 3. Anti-collision management. Click the Anti-collision management button. You can adjust the speed limit, values of the braking area, warning area, and prompt area. 1. Prompt area speed limit. If there is no one in the detection area and the set speed limit is reached, the warning light will flash to indicate that the speed has exceeded plus speed limit control. 2. Warning area speed limit. If there is someone in the warning area and the set speed limit is reached, the warning light will flash to indicate that the speed has exceeded plus speed limit control. 3. Braking area speed limit. Be sure to set it to 0. After the adjustment is completed, click Save and Send to complete the setting. 4. Sensor configuration. Click the Sensor configuration button. 1. Unlock time. Set the unlock time of the foot switch. 2. Brake strength. Set the proportional motor strength. 3. Brake travel. Set the length of the proportional motor wire. 4. Wireless speed sensor pairing. When clicking to pair the speed sensor, please place the speed sensor still for about 10 seconds and then pick it up and shake it. 5. Wireless seat belt pairing. Temporarily use wired seat belts, no pairing is required. 6. Throttle learning. After installing the automatic learning version of the throttle controller, turn on the vehicle, and after the device is unlocked, you can click to obtain the learning throttle voltage to achieve the effect of controlling the vehicle. Save and send to complete the setting. Note: the wireless speed sensor has been paired 1-to-1 before leaving the factory.